The Welsh language is becoming more visible every day all across Wales. All sorts of third and private sector organisations are seeing the importance of the language. Creating a Welsh Language Promotion Plan is a way of showing your customers or clients that you are supporting the Welsh language. This can lead to attracting new customers, meeting the needs of your current customers and clients, and gaining support and loyalty from a new community. If you receive public funds, your organisation may be expected to provide some services in Welsh. Signing up to our promotion plan is a way of showing your funders that you offer those services. You can start the process yourself online or ask for help from one of our promotion team officers. Visit our website at welshlanguagecommissioner.wales/hubby and choose the size of your organisation to complete the relevant questionnaire. The process of completing the questionnaire takes no longer than 10 minutes. And don't worry if a question is not relevant to you, just move on to the next one. You can also create an account to save your progress and return to it later. Upon completion, you will receive a copy of your answers with a score between 1 and 3, with 1 being the lowest and 3 being the highest. This is an opportunity for you to look at your strengths and see where your organisation can improve its bilingual provision. So that you can develop your Welsh language services appropriately, the next step is to set a target next to each answer. Example targets are available, or someone from our promotion team can offer assistance. In order to achieve these targets, identify who is responsible for each one and establish a deadline. It is important that everyone is aware of the scheme and the benefits it offers your organisation. When you are happy with your plan, share it with us, and your organisation will be displayed on our Hubby website, and you'll also receive a banner to put on your plan. This will show that you have officially worked with the Commissioner. Go to the Welsh Language Commissioner's Hubby website to complete the questionnaire and get involved now to improve your Welsh language provision.